Hey guys, here is a wonderful picker upper when you need to get some energy and you want to save on calories and sugar. I have a wonderful drink. So I use my Monster Zero and some pineapple chunks and some whole strawberries. I put probably about half a bag of both into my handy dandy food processor. I whip them up, and this is what you get. This cup here, I've been eating on, and this one has been in the freezer. But typically, and this one again has been in the freezer, so it usually yields about 4 cups of these here. And typically, again, they're liquid when they finish, but I've been able to freeze about 4 8-ounce cups. And again, this is no sugar energy. And when I tell you, baby, you got energy for days. So definitely try it and let me know how you turn out. Thanks again. Don't forget to do what? Like, subscribe, comment, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell for more videos. Thanks again. Bye-bye.